I've got myself an Alesis Nitro Electronic drum kit. This is the one with the mesh heads. The earlier model had the rubber pad instead of the mesh heads, and this is far more silent and gives you more of a feel of a real drum kit, apparently. So let's have a look, see what's in the box. So I'll try not to damage anything as I do it. Like that. I haven't opened it yet. So, oh, that's easy. Oh, exciting. Oh, so what we got is lots of boxes within the big box, which kind of makes sense. Alright, looking at the box from above, so it's nice down. Da-da-da-da. We have the pedal. It says pedal, and then we have the kick pedal. So I imagine that one might be for the hi-hat. That's going to be the bass drum pedal. A drum pad. Got a drum pad here with Snare Pad written on it. So obviously that must be the snare. And the kick pad. So I assume that's the riser bit. The bit goes up with the kick pedal with bash against to create our bass. And over here we have the cymbal pad. So, oh, it says cymbal pad. I imagine there's more than one in there, because you'll have the crash, ride, and the hi-hat. And a box of accessories. Right, now, what about the stand? So, look, oh, I'm looking down the bottom there. It looks like there's nothing else down there. There's no box in there. Okay, let's get these out. So that's the kick pedal. Pull that out. Bring it over here. Dump it onto there, onto the sofa, as you do. Oh, I see. It's becoming a little bit more interesting. And I'm polystyrene, let's get rid of that. Ooh, okay. Right, then we've got the module. Right, the module. That's obviously the bit that does the work. Well, not the work such, that should be you, but it's the module. So that's the electronic doodah. Oh, Ted. And over here, cymbal pads. Some cymbal pads out there, and some more lumps of polystyrene. Oh, that's going to be floating around all over the place. And here we got these drum pads. So that's 1, 2, should be 3 drum pads. Because we've got the snare. One of them's the snare. So, and then we've got the stand. So that's going to be the aluminium stand. And there's a pedal. There's our accessories. Now we can see everything now, because that is the kick pad. That's going to be the riser. So what should we start with? Let's grab my knife again and let's start opening them up. Right, let's start with the ones in the box. So here we go. We've got the drum stand, which is probably the first bit you're going to need when you're putting this together. Be careful when using a knife. Obviously you don't want to damage anything that's inside the box. Here. Right, and there we have all the bits and pieces for the drum stand, and there's a load more behind there too. Alright, so that's the drum stand, which I would probably be putting together first. And obviously to put that drum stand together, you're going to need the accessory pack. So here's our accessory pack. And we're not putting this together in this video, we're just showing you, to give you some idea what you get in the boxes. I'll just open both ends of the box, which is a bit silly, and you need to do one. And there you got your cables, so you got your snake, or whatever they call it. So you got like a serial port on the end here, which then plugs to lots of DIN plugs that will plug into each element of your drum kit. So I'll lay that down in there. So, oh, this is quite useful. Yeah, that's handy. What's that for? Oh, you need to get some form of instructions. I'm not sure how good they are. Oh, that might be handy. Oh, get that down, put that over there. And get some other little metal bits. These are for the. Yep, that's it. You chuck them on the floor like that, and it makes some loads better. Oh, okay, there you go. They are the drum pad stands, or holders, like they call it, I believe. 1, 2, 3, 4. That makes sense. Oh, and you get a pair of drumsticks. A pair of complimentary drumsticks. Do you know in France they call these baguettes? You know, like the breadstick. A bit silly if you ask me. I know hit my drums with a breadstick. And that, I believe, is the power supply. Now, I have heard on some of the reviews that people haven't been getting their power supply, so I'm quite happy to see that I got mine. And it's a E1. Good. European one? Yeah, it's a European one, isn't it? Oh, it's a multi, what's it? That's a strange. There should be other bits to that. Bits that slide in. Is that missing something? Well, we'll find out later, won't I? So, is this what people mean? Because that should have a bit that slides into that. Right, that's a bit worrying. Unless it's in here. Doesn't look like it. Was it? Oh, there they are. They're in there. That's handy. So get the power supply. The power supply is there. That's very good. Okay, next box in the box is the kick pad. Maybe I'll open it from this end. I won't open both ends this time because it's a bit silly. Oh, that's very substantial. I have to admit, everything so far seems reasonably good quality for the money. This drum kit cost $399 or €396 on Amazon FR, and so far it seems yeah, quite good. So this is the bass drum riser pad, kick pad. Let's get that out of here. Oh, there we go. Right, so your beater will bash against that bit and create the bass. So that's not a mesh one, that is a rubber one. But I think on a kick pad that's fine, to be honest. You can get these with a mesh kick pad, but I don't really see the necessity for that. I get it with the actual toms and the snare because you need a feedback through your hands. Okay, let's have a look, see what we've got going over here. And we grab the knife again. We've got the other kick pedal. Now this one is the kick pedal that goes with that riser stand, or that kick pad. Riser stand, what do you call that for? And in here, excuse me my wobbly hands, because it's right. Now I've heard good things about this. This is apparently quite nice feel to it and fairly good quality, and the proof will be in the pudding. But it's all aluminium. That's all aluminium. Nice weight to it. So I'm quite impressed. That's the kickstand, and then we have the drum pad and the cymbal pad. So let's have a look at a drum pad. This is the snare. That's the snare drum pad. And there we will have. Oh, it's a snare drum pad. There's two drum pads in there. Right, so it's not just the snare, but the snare must be in here. Right, so one of these is the snare. I think it will tell me on the bottom. So if I put that one over there, that's got nothing written on that one. And one of these should up. There you go. It says snare pad on the bottom. Now, you can see that there. That's the snare pad. So put that over there as well. Okay, lots of boxes. I'm getting boxes everywhere. Okay, another drum pad. This will be another tom, or pair of toms. That might be the 1 and 2 tom. I'm not 100% certain, but I think that all the toms are pretty much the same thing because the sound effect is done by the actual module. That's where the sound effect. So it doesn't really matter whether you've got a plugged into the wrong ones, apart from the snare. The snare has got a dual zone. In other words, it has you get a rim shot and also right in the middle of the normal sort of in the middle of the snare as well. So that's 2 toms there. So like I say, it doesn't matter which ones they are. Snare is the only one that really matters, I believe. And cymbal pads, and there's your module. But let's do a cymbal pad. What's in there? Quite hard holding the camera, well, in case this is my phone on the gimbal, and a knife, and trying to show you this at the same time. There you go, these are the cymbals. Let's have a look at one, shall we? These are a bit that online, they look sort of plasticky, but oh, actually they're quite weighty, actually, quite good. Yeah, they're quite nice looking, actually. So you've got the rubber pad at the front, that's obviously where you strike, and I'll just go into the mount on that mount fits here, and your cables plug in the side here, so that's where your DIN plug will go into there. So there's your cymbals. That's good, good, good. And then there's another pedal here, and this must be the pedal for the top hat. Top hat, what am I talking about? The hi-hat. I'm losing the plot, I am. Senile dementia, that's what I call it. Ta-da. That is the hi-hat pedal. Yet again, that actually feels pretty solid. When I looked at the pictures, it didn't really do it justice. It's actually better than I thought it was going to be. So, yeah, quite a nice feel to it actually. Surprising. Right, so that's that. That's that. Oh, got the bass drum kick pedal there. And the module. Let's have a look at this little module, shall we? So let's grab a knife again. Do a sharpness knife, really. Hey presto, there we go. This is the module. And this has a variety of different songs and sounds and kits, which I might go into later. But feels very solid again, so far so good. Anyway, there we have it. That is my unboxing. As you can see, there's boxes everywhere now. Screw stuff. Of sort of trying to escape out of the box. This is my unboxing of the Alesis Nitro Mesh Drum Kit. And so far, so good. I seem quite happy with that. If you're wondering the only reason why I bought this is because I've already got an acoustic drum kit. I want something a little bit quiet for practice downstairs where the missus is. And although this won't eliminate all the noise, it'll still be a darn sight quieter than my acoustic kit, which is a little pearl kit. And yeah, that is quite loud. So there you have it. Anyway, hope you found that of use. Give us a little thumbs up, will you, and subscribe and comment below if you've got any questions about the kit. Hopefully in the next few weeks I'll be getting the hang of it, and maybe I'll do a video about that. Anyway, thank you for watching.